Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 4305. The Dremel 4300 Rotary Toolkit is our top product. According to several review websites online and existing users around the world, this rotary tool is a high performance and operates with LED for fine detail work. The Dremel toolkit features the tool itself and 40 other high-quality accessories stored in a durable plastic casing. A bonus to this kit is the set of 5 attachments meant to aid in activities such as sanding and hollowing. The Dremel rotary multi-tool uses a high-powered motor, which is very impressive when compared to other existing products on the market. This motor delivers the maximum performance in all situations, no matter how demanding the application might be. The Dremel 4300 toolkit offers variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 Sun RPM. In designing this toolkit, the staff of Dremel wanted to create a cordless rotary tool that was as versatile as possible. The 4300 rotary toolkit works flawlessly with all Dremel accessories. The Dremel's pilot light can illuminate all your projects for easy visibility. And besides the sturdy construction and sleek design of this rotary tool, Dremel engineers incorporated an innovative and patented airflow system, which prevents the buildup of heat for a more relaxed, smoother, and even quieter operation. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dremel 8220 US1. There is another rotary tool from Dremel, and this product has made it to the second place on our list. The Dremel 8220 Rotary Toolkit is a cordless toolkit that is highly versatile and can be used as a polisher, engraver, and sander at the same time. The Dremel 8220 Toolkit is compelling, compact, and portable. All its operations are powered by a powerful lithium-ion battery with a maximum performance of 30,000 RPM. This tool also has a variable speed feature. This rotary tool also has a lot of features worth discussing. The first feature we highlight is its versatility. It comes with attachments, the rotary tool itself, a charger, accessory case, plastic storage case, and 28 high-quality Dremel accessories. And for fast and easy accessory changes, the Dremel toolkit is designed and built with a patented EX twist nose cap. The battery mentioned earlier is also removable. This feature is an excellent design because it allows you to charge the battery outside the rotary tool itself. Cut through metal, wood, concrete, marble, and all other materials with ease when you have the Dremel toolkit in your hands. Purchasing this toolkit offers you a 2-year warranty on all parts, as well as customer service, available via email, chat, or phone. A very useful tool to have in your toolbox. At number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER RTX-B 3-speed RTX rotary tool. Meet the BLACK+DECKER RTX-B rotary tool, a special rotary tool with a storage case. It's an imported rotary tool that is full of all accessories you will need for your various tasks, both in the home and office. This rotary tool features 5 different accessories, a user guide, wrench, and a storage bag. All these elements go a long way to help you in the garage or when you're on the road. During your workshop times, you can change accessories with ease thanks to the exclusive RTX flip-lock spindle lock system. What's more, the BLACK+DECKER RTX Speed Rotary Kit works well with all standard rotary tool accessories thanks to its universal colle system. This rotary tool uses a powerful, high-torque motor that delivers twice the power of all competing brands. Strength, durability, and precision are the main attributes associated with this rotary tool. Furthermore, accuracy is assured via the tool's variable speed settings. These 3 speeds include 12,000, 24,000, and 30,000 RPM. We are recommending the BLACK+DECKER rotary tools for all garages, homes, and offices because it is powerful and highly ergonomic. Its overall design comes with a non-slip grip that offers the most comfort during your work hours. This tool is most suitable for crafting and around-the-house projects and removes dust, smooths, and shapes workpieces, and also creates drywall cutouts on the job site. Existing users of the BLACK+DECKER have commented on its durability, high efficiency, and intense power. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DW6060 rotary tool. We all want the easy way out when it comes to household tasks, and this rotary power tool promises to bring our desires to reality. DEWALT is a leading manufacturer in the world of hardware tools, and it launched its latest product, the DEWALT rotary saw. This durable saw is one of the most powerful units in the market today, put together by the best engineering team in the world. If you're searching for a tool that is great for cutting, we will recommend this rotary. It is designed for use in all areas, whether it is your home garage, a job site, or any other area where saws are needed. This rotary power tool from DEWALT includes a single drywall cutting bit and collas of various sizes. The first and most prominent feature of the DEWALT rotary saw is its slim body design. With such a configuration, users experience less fatigue no matter how long they use the tool. Besides strength, durability is another trait of the DEWALT saw. It comes with a dust-sealed switch that keeps dust out at all times. The DEWALT rotary saw is a user-friendly unit that doesn't require skilled personnel or professional help. It features an easy-to-use turn-on, chalk, bump-off switch. The DEWALT saw provides job site durability via its jam pot construction. This saw cuts through pretty much everything: plywood, drywall, ceramic tiles, cement boards, and even plexiglass. Our editorial team is confident that this saw will deliver all your cutting needs at a that everyone can afford. Our guide to the best reciprocating saws features more quality tools like this, so check them out. And finally, at number 1, we have the TACKLIFE rotary tool. Are you ready to personalize your home? TACKLIFE has got you covered. The TACKLIFE rotary tool is a very durable, strong, and affordable tool. According to existing users and rotary tool experts, this is one of the very best in today's market, with features that guarantee an impressive performance for days on end. The TACKLIFE rotary tool features 135W power variable speed, a flex shaft, and 60 other accessories that make your job easy. The sole aim of this toolkit is to enable users to undertake basic crafting and around-the-home projects, which may otherwise require you to engage an external person. The TACKLIFE tool works with adjustable rotation speeds, and these speeds can be used for grinding, cutting, drilling, engraving, and even polishing. The possibilities are endless. This tool comes with versatile accessories designed with ergonomic features such as a handy and comfortable grip. The hands are always busy with the rotary tool, thus, they need to feel comfortable at all times. The ergonomic design features a streamlined aesthetic that makes operations more straightforward. You may also be interested in some of these top random orbital sanders from our list, so check them out. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.